In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft 365 Copilot is transforming the way you get things done. It's built to boost your productivity and spark creativity. Think of it as your AI assistant that's always ready to help wherever you are, ready to step in with suggestions, drafts, and answers that keep you moving forward. We'll start in the Microsoft 365 Copilot app. When you're in web mode, Copilot uses information from the internet to help you create in many different ways. If you're planning to code a website, you can ask it to sketch a sitemap, generate starter HTML and CSS, or explain a tricky concept. If you're writing a school paper, have it outline your argument, suggest sources to explore, and draft paragraphs in the tone you specify. Maybe you're creating a bedtime story personalized for a special 5-year-old. Give a few details like favorite characters or themes, and watch it weave them into a gentle, age-appropriate narrative. A helpful tip here is to be specific about your objective, audience, and style, and then iterate. Ask for alternatives, shorter versions, or more detail until it matches what you need. Copilot is just as helpful when you switch to work mode. In this context, it can use your work content and the surrounding context to help you accomplish more than ever. Imagine you're catching up after a 2-week vacation. Ask Copilot to summarize what you missed, organize key updates by project, and call out any action items for you. If you're searching for quick answers in a large file, ask direct questions like, "What are the deadlines mentioned in this document?" And Copilot will pull out the relevant lines so you don't have to skim every page. You can continue the conversation to clarify, compare versions, or request a concise summary you can share. Wherever you go, Copilot is ready to support you. It travels with you across your Microsoft 365 experience, so you can pick up a thread from one place and continue it in another without losing momentum. Keep your prompts clear, and when accuracy matters, cross-check key facts or ask for more context so you can make confident decisions. And every time you chat, your data stays protected. Copilot follows the same security, compliance, and privacy standards already used across Microsoft 365 apps and services, so you can work confidently while staying within your organization's policies. Change the way you work with Microsoft 365 Copilot. Start exploring today and let it boost your productivity while sparking your creativity.